Hello YouTube, how YouTube, Youpie. Okay, YouTube, this is Frank. As you probably know by now, I'm in Malaysia. I'm on the east coast of Malaysia. Beautiful here. We had a relatively sunny day today, just got a bit of an overcast, which is nice at the end of the day, so the weather is not so hot at the end of the day, so we can enjoy a bit of evening time in the garden, where it's not too hot, but at least we can do a little bit of gardening, which is great. I just received another package. I just did 2 videos on 2 packages I received earlier today. Here you go, here is another one. I think I know what's inside. The company is called, it's funny, it's a company that's called Freebang, okay? And Freebang has sent me this package. So thank you very much, Freebang. I think from the weight, I think I was inside. And you promised me to send me this beautiful piece for one of my for one of my routers. You saw me unpacking one of my routers the other day. A router is my woodworking router that is for my woodworking shop, and I have shown you a Chengdong woodworking router earlier in one of the other videos. I will attach it to this video so you can have a look at that one as well. It's a handheld router. It was actually relatively inexpensive. I think it was about 25 or 27 US dollars, and this company, Freebang, thank you so much, Freebang, said, look, we have a very, very nice part that is universal and can be used with your router. So you can actually use it into a router cable. So now my handheld router that I would normally use, well, you would use it in such a way that the drill bit goes like this. But putting it handheld, you never get a nice cut. So what you actually do is you build it into a table where now the router bit is sticking out of the table and it's adjustable. So now that would help me to make some really, really nice cuts. And then because there's a flat surface and this little tiny router bit is sticking out, I can work my piece very nicely around the router bit. And what this is let me show you. I'm excited, actually. Very excited we get free stuff. So thank you so much, Freebang. Okay, what we have here is an insert plate for my router table. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can clearly see it, but there is some markings on here, which is 4 centimeters in and 4 centimeters out on both sides. And there's a 90-degree angle cross here, which is nice too. Then there's even 45 degree angle markers, which is good too. If you want to do 45-degree angle pieces or even 90-degree angle pieces that then sit in between, which is excellent. And then there is this part here. Okay, this inserts into my router table, and then this small insert actually inserts into my into this insert. So it's an insert in an insert. But as you see, there's quite a big hole here. Now sometimes if you have a small piece and you have a very small router bit, you don't want to be the hole this big. So what they do here is they have a variety of inserts. You see, small hole, a little bit bigger hole, a little bit smaller hole. Okay, so now this insert plate comes with an additional 4 insert plates to reduce the size of the actual workpiece if you're using smaller router bit pieces. Excellent tool. Thank you very much. I'm very happy with this. I'm looking forward to build this into my table. I haven't built a table yet, but it's one of the projects we're going to do. And of course we're going to put it on video here. Now these are the screws that come with it. Okay, because of course you want to attach the router to this router insert, and then the other thing I need to do is to make it adjustable so my router can go up and down to ensure that I can do a fine setting on how high and how low my router bit is sticking out of the table. But thank you very much, Freebang. This is really, really lovely. I'm gonna put you in the next videos once we start using. Well, first we make a video on the router table where we actually show you how to insert this part into the router table, and then after that I also will make a video where I'll put Freebang in to show you how we actually use this piece while working on the router table. Thank you so much. You made my weekend. Thank you. Hope you have a great week. Because tomorrow for me, well, on this video it's Friday, so have a great weekend if I wouldn't speak to you before that. All right, take care for now and have a great week or weekend. As I said, see you later. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.